And we're back to learning CapCut. Let me show you how you can use it to record your audio directly. Usually you have kind of like a clip. Let me put this right here. I use the default layout, and then you should find a record function. Let me pull this to the start point. Right here's the record function. Left click on it, a new menu will open up. Under input device you can select the microphone that you use. By default it should detect the one that you use if there's only one, but if you have multiple you can change that here under input device. Adjust the volume as needed. I don't know what's good for you as a value. It depends on the microphone, on your settings, and also on the distance to the microphone. But start with 100, maybe 150. And for the most part, you want to have all of these 3 boxes checked, as it improves the audio. Echo reduction is for echo with a speaker. If you've got that, just check it. You want to mute the projects, which is going to mute or turn off the audio of the clips. And enhanced voice is a good idea. It's going to filter out background noise, popping, stuff like this. And then all that you have to do is to click on the red record button. It will give you a 3-second countdown and then the recording starts. This is a test. And there you go, it has recorded my voice, and we've got this directly now in our media menu and in the timeline. So if I delete this, I could drag it back from the media menu into the timeline. If you want to adjust it, just make sure that it's active. So left click on it in the timeline, and then you find under basic adjustments, for example, volume adjustment. If you want to make it louder, just drag the volume a little bit to the right, and you can also visually see that right here. It gets adjusted. And this is how you can record audio in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.